This is an indoor drone race happening between the Marines, Army, Air Force, and Navy. And I got to try it out, at least virtually. Oh, okay, I'm upside down.
Yeah.
That didn't take long. Adrian Adams with Multi-GP Drone Racing traveled to DC to help put on this race.
Each pilot's using the same motor, flight controller, ESC, frame, propeller, and battery. And it all comes down to pilot skill to see who can come out on top.
And it's not just the military competing. There are also high schoolers and college students.
I really think the high schoolers are going to wind up pulling it out.
By day 3, there was a tie for 3rd place amongst the military. So Air Force and Navy had to battle it out. But the overall winner of the entire competition, the high schoolers. And as for me, I got one more try. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. I did it!
Yes, let's go.
I did it!
Good job.
Woo! I am very proud of myself and I feel like I should quit while I'm ahead.
That was awesome.
The AI Expo here in Washington, D.C. is unique because it's bringing together everyone from government to academics and even the general public. And I participated as well, moderating a discussion with the president of the University of Chicago. Of course, the robotic dogs are very popular, especially Spot with Boston Dynamics.
You have a robot that can dance.
I've noticed an enthusiasm here, not just for the technology, but also a passion to make sure that artificial intelligence is being used for positive purposes, including in defense.
Militaries have been weaponizing robots, typically drones. There is a whole ethics and legal regime surrounding how that operates. Our focus on the weaponization ethical aspect is really on civilian use of these increasingly accessible technologies. Now anyone can buy a drone or a robot and potentially weaponize it. And so our focus has been on preventing that misuse.
Brendan Schulman with Boston Dynamics says there's a lot that Spot is doing in the military to protect people.
They're investigating potential IEDs. They'll send the robot into like a hazardous situation or around the corner to make sure there isn't someone with a weapon. So those are all missions that protect the life of people and that de-escalate conflicts, and we see that as a valid use and ethical use of the technology.
There's a huge military presence at the AI Expo. Artificial intelligence is impacting defense, and it could be impacting the battlefield. Jonathan Horowitz with the International Committee of the Red Cross says there's real concern about how it might impact civilians.
Our biggest concern is the loss of human agency in decision-making around uses of weapons, around life and death. We always want there to be some amount of human control involved, some sort of human interaction, some sort of human interface, where, for example, a human can always press a shut-off button.
They've posted this sign with 8 rules for civilian hackers during war, including not conducting any cyber operation against medical and human facilities, and to comply with the rules even if the enemy does not. Ultimately, at the AI Expo, there were a lot of really important discussions, some incredible technology, and a glimpse into where AI is headed.